Hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. I don't think I started the week, right? I don't think I did. Anyway, it's a pretty standard week. I just had work and then I'm pretty good for my walks. Um, the last two walks have been pretty amazing, but tonight's walk was actually really, really good. And you're probably thinking, James, it's just a walk. We've seen you do a million of them, which is true. But today I walked a lot further. I don't know what came over me. Today I was just really in the mood to just keep going. And it was my typical route that I take, but then I went a little further. So basically, when it comes to how far I go, I usually gauge it by people being around. And since I've been going on my walk right after I get off work because I have to make it to this MTR before it closes, so there's more people about. So I've walked this area before, but I usually turn around because it's about 5 kilometers at that point. So by the time I walk back to my service apartment back then, it would have been 10 kilometers and I had way, like, probably about 20,000 steps. But today, as I got to that location and I was thinking of turning around or start headed to the subway station, I noticed the joggers kept jogging through. Now, usually when I go back then during that down that path, um, there's not many people around, and definitely no more joggers. There's like one or two, but usually I gauge them. They'll probably turn around soon because I'm at a certain spot. Usually people at this point reach a certain kilometer when they're doing their job and they turn around. But I noticed tonight as I was walking to the structure, three joggers passed me and they kept going. I thought they would be turning around where I was going to be turning around, but they kept going. So I thought, oh, maybe there's something going on. So I follow the same path they jogged through, and I'm like, okay, it's this is like nothing. But then I come to the end of it, and I'm like, whoa, there's a lot more going on this side. It's no wonder there's no one turning around yet. So a lot more to see there. You caught a glimpse of it, but as much as I wanted to keep going tonight, I was like looking at the clock. It was already 11:30, and I'm like, yeah, I need to like head towards a station now. I was kind of bummed because I was like, oh, this if I keep going, this heads to a bridge. But I was like, ugh, I don't have time. So I think not tomorrow, but maybe the day after. I don't have it decided yet. I might just keep going, but not worry about the time. Because if I miss the last train, not the big deal. I'll just take an Uber back or find a taxi. Because I could take a bus, but I'm not sure how the buses work all the way out there. I know the buses near my work that can take me home, but not over there. I could research it, but I'm really curious to see what else I can see out there. I was kind of bummed out today, but yeah. On the day off tomorrow, I have nothing planned. I do have to buy a few groceries because I'm kind of low on food items. My kitchen's coming pretty along. It's getting there. I'm washing extra pieces every time I do something, so it's getting there. But yeah, I don't think I have anything planned tomorrow, so I think I'm just gonna chill, buy groceries, and then I'll find something to do. I am all showered and clean right after the gym. The gym downstairs is kind of growing on me, and I figured out the prime time to go when I don't have to see a single body. Single person ever. If I go after dinner time, I usually run into somebody. If I go right at like 4 to 5, people are still at work on a weekday, so I don't run into anybody. So that's the prime time to go. And I usually go, as I said, on my days off to that gym because I don't need to go to the gym every day because I do my 10-kilometer walk every day anyway. I just do the gym so that I can do running, I do some more stretching easier, but I want to incorporate it more, but I don't want to rely on the gym because eventually it's going to cost me money. Anyway, the initial plan today was completely derailed. I was going to wake up, start the laundry, and when the laundry was going, go down for lunch, come up, finish the laundry, go to the gym, shower, and that. But when I went down for lunch, it was really busy for a Wednesday, so I was like, ooh, I'll come back later. So I ended up having a really late lunch, delayed the gym, and then the shopping supermarket trip was still going to be around this time, but then I got out of the shower and I'm like really tired, and then I reanalyzed everything and thought, you know what, I don't have to go because I still have things in my fridge. I'm getting off early Friday and Saturday. I'm getting off early on both days, so I can stop by the grocery store before I come back here. So a trip isn't really required. I talked myself out of it, so yeah. So right now I am just chilling, editing some videos. I've gone into a complete routine now, which I like. Because, you know, I said I was really behind in K-dramas. I am catching up very good, really well now, so we're good. I'm talking fast right now because my battery's dying on this, so yeah. I'm just going to keep editing and just chill for the rest of the day. Hello. Currently, I am just watching K-dramas. I'm pretty caught up now, I'm not gonna lie. You know how I said last week I was pretty behind? I caught up. It was just basically due to the fact that I was watching more than I was playing video games. I just wanted to get some of the ones that I started out of the way because I started forgetting the plot a little bit, and those weren't really good. So I caught up pretty well. The biggest reason I caught up was not just because I stopped playing as many video games and stopped swiping my phone. I also started watching at work. Not when there's customers, guys. There are periods where it's so quiet and dead at work that time passes slow. So I was like, you know what? I'll just watch them at work. I'll pause it as soon as the customer walks in. Well, I don't think that was. I don't think I would said that right. I will pause it when customers come in. That's what I just said. So you know, I was able to catch up and finish. Let me count in my head. 3 this week. So yeah, I'm pretty caught up. Eventually, I'll be caught up to the point where it's like I'll be every week for new episodes. But yeah. Currently I am debating if I'm gonna vlog next week or just end the year now. I don't know. I think I'll do one more week and then call it a year. Yeah, I think that's the plan, yeah. Because it's always awkward for me to end the year in the middle of the week and then start a new vlog, if you guys get what I mean. Because the 31st is the middle of the week. I think it's a Wednesday or Thursday, so it's just awkward. So yeah, I know I would vlog one more week and then that will be the last vlog of 2025, guys. So yeah. Currently I'm just gonna watch a few more episodes and then I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna tell you guys where I'm going. But I'm probably gonna wrap up the vlog here. Right? Is there anything else I need to tell you guys? No. Again, not much happened this week because this work, and then I was so busy watching K-dramas. The old James is back. But yeah, one more week of vlogs for 2025. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it right here for this week. So I guess you'll see you on the last vlog of the year next week.